Hey guys, so today me and my dad went ice skating at the Galleria Mall. And I'm going to show you what I got from Claire's. I got 2 squishies from Claire's the other day. And then I have squishies that I bought today. So let me pick up the first one. So this is the Hello Kitty donut I got from the other day. It's really squishy. It's like a pink with pearls and then powdered sugar. Let's see. It's really squishy. Okay, the next one is, this is the other one. This is the last one that I got from the Claire's the other day. I'm holding my phone with one hand, and I'm squishing the squishies for you guys in another hand. They're pretty squishy. So then the next one is this little, they all have the same tag. Is this Hello Kitty, like cake, and it has strawberries in it. And it looks like the frosting is not like smooth, and it has like some bumpy things. And then a strawberry bow, and then chocolate whiskers. On the back it's just like flat. Let me squish it. It's really squishy. Then the last one is this Hello Kitty waffle. It has like a reddish bow. It's like a red bow. It has the same exact tag. It's like really glossy there. It's like super, it's not like slime glossy, but it's like a shimmery glossy. And then it just looks dirty inside, but it's not, but it's super cool. It's really squishy. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.